Okay, hi people. I'm Akatsuki Girl 12345, and this is my brother. We're gonna watch the Scary Maze video, and then post the reaction. So, let's get started.
I
don't know what the maze thing is.
I don't know either, man. Like, I never saw it. I don't think this is it. This reaction's right. Oh! Oh! Hey! That was nuts! Oh, crap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like an evil freaking lady or something. That's